Hello, moms out there that are looking for that very last minute Easter photos for your child or children. Here today I'm going to show you how to, on a budget, get some very cute photos on your own backyard. That's my own backyard. We got a little bit of forecast date today, so I will show you with what you got. We can make this happen. So first thing you gotta do is get some props together. I collect a couple things I had in my house, things I bought in the grocery store, simple, not expensive items, something very pretty that I put together real quick. You're gonna find a place on your house, on your backyard, or maybe go in the park, some place that the backdrop is very neutral, maybe trees. The most I could find in my backyard is this. So we're gonna work with what we have right here so you can see how you will turn out. So I have this backyard. I'll do a 360 so you guys can see how actually everything looks like, and we're gonna work with what we have. Well, here in my house, you can see in this part of the house, in the backyard, there's not much going on. If I were to show you the other side of the house, you can see there will be lots of cars passing. We're gonna have houses, and it's very cluttered. I know I have this fence in the back, but that's the most I could do. So you can go in the park if you would like to, but if you don't have that time, go in your backyard, find a very neutral backdrop. So nothing with cars coming by or a house or a play set, nothing like that, okay? So I found it right here. This part of my backyard that's very neutral, have some grass, has this fence, and I'm gonna put this together and we'll see how this is gonna turn out. Let's come with me. So here's how I placed all my props. Make sure that you place them close to your subject, which is your child. Make sure it's not too far so we can have everything in one frame. It'll be easier for you, especially if you're a beginner. I randomly place them in different areas, play with them a little bit, and decide that that's how I was going to do. Something very easy, no much effort at all for this one. Now we already have the props. I got my daughter here. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures with my camera. Let's see how they're gonna turn out. I will show you. We have this exit. Please pay attention where the light's coming from. On a day like that, it was overcast, so it wasn't such a big deal. But if the sun was very harsh, make sure the sun is on the back of your subject, not on their faces. Or if you are unsure, you can also place them in the shade spot to be easier. Now we're gonna place our subject. You can see my daughter right there. We're putting her sitting on the little step stool, and she's almost 3. So what did I do? I make sure that I shot at eye level. If you have a small child, you will see the difference it makes if you go closer to the ground and shoot at eye level. It doesn't matter if you have a point and shoot, or if you have, like me, a professional camera, semi-professional camera, or even your iPhone. It will make a difference if you get closer to the ground and shoot at their eye level. As you can tell, I have 2 different setups for this photo shoot. I wanted to show you how you can place a subject on a prop. In my case, it's a little step ladder. It could be a stool, a step stool. It could be anything that you could place or sit a subject on. And also right there on the ground, you can see my daughter sitting on the blanket, but it could be easily sitting on the grass, and that will be perfectly fine, and the photo will turn out beautiful. So you can choose either or you can do what I did. You can use 2 different setups, real quick, easy, on the budget, on your backyard. Sometimes when my subject is sitting on the ground, I try to get as close to the ground as possible. You can see I'm right there laying on the ground, and that way you get some very interesting, cool images. You can catch a little bit of the grass, a little bit of a subject. You see in the end how beautiful these photos will turn out. that's the final product. I loved the way these photos turned out. They were so cute. You never imagined that they were taking this tiny little space in my backyard. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. Please comment below, give me a like, subscribe so you can see more here at the Ruffins Adventure channel. I'll see you soon. Bye!